Hey everybody, Mike DiDonato here from Fireman Canada, and today we're going to be running a cleaning cycle on the Jura GIGA10. For this process, you're going to need the Jura cleaning tablets. They come in a 6-pack or a 25-pack. And pro tip, I always recommend getting some sort of receptacle or container to put underneath your central spouts to catch any spent water. To start the process, you're going to select Clean in your Jura GIGA10 cockpit menu. Once you've done that, the machine will always ask you to empty the tray. Even if it's already been emptied, make sure you remove it, wait about 30 seconds, and replace it. At this point, I'd recommend putting your receptacle underneath the central spouts. Once you've done that, you're going to wait for the machine to ask for the cleaning tablet, at which point you're going to put it in the back of the machine in the pre-ground bypass. Now let the machine do its thing for about 15 minutes. It's going to clean any coffee oils, fats, any residues left out in your brewing unit and put it right into your container. At the end of the process, the machine will ask you to empty the tray and you're done. Thank you guys for watching. Check out our Instagram at @Fiamma_Canada for some cool and fun content and our website, fiamma.ca, for all your maintenance product needs.